How to change language in Valorant. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change language in Valorant. Firstly, you need to open playvalorant.com in your web browser. Here, you need to go to the settings. It will take you to this page. Here you have the option to select your desired language. You can select whatever language you want. You will have a list of different languages. Select one and then click on OK. After that, you'll have a notification saying language selection will be applied next time you restart the game, which means you need to restart the game in order to apply the changes. So simply restart the game and you'll see the game will be in your selected language. This was the easiest way to change language in Valorant. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.